Hi there, Peter from Vox Singing Academy here. Just checking in with you guys. I am now 7 days into my quarantine, so I'm allowed to leave the house now. Probably 8 days since I felt really sick. My symptoms, I still have a tickle in my chest, still coughing up phlegm. Ears are still really blocked, but my energy levels are back. I've got consistent energy levels. I physically feel good within my body, besides my upper respiratory infection and feeling very congested. Other than that, I do feel quite good, which is great. My voice, I haven't done a lot with my voice the last couple of days. It doesn't feel that great. It sounds a little bit lower. So I'm going to have a little bit of a warm up and just sort of see what I've got within my voice here. I am teaching in the next couple of days, and I'm sure that I'll be fine. I taught during the week online and my voice was fine, but my voice right now, my speaking voice, doesn't feel any better than what it did midweek when I was teaching. So what I'll do is I'm just going to go into a very quick baby buzz warm up, and we'll just see how it goes. My ears are really blocked up, particularly this one. It's like my voice is coming to the end there. That's about D. That was D sharp, my top note's D sharp above high C. Doesn't feel that great. I normally go to F quite easily. Let's see what I've got in falsetto. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Doesn't feel bad down low here. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. I have to work a little bit more. I'm sort of getting up nearly my high range. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Sounds a bit phlegmy. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. My lower range is a bit husky. Wee, wee, wee. Look, I'm getting my height in my falsetto. Just my middle range seems to be a bit huskier than what it normally is. Let's go through my true voice. Let's start down really low here. Wah. My pitch is a bit off. Wah. 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 My lower range, my middle range, it feels okay. It doesn't feel too bad. It feels a little bit husky. Wah! Venturing to my high range here, really trying to put the sound into my soft palate at the back of my head to not push my voice. Wah! 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 That's a high, that's a B above mid C. I have to work to get that. It doesn't feel that loose, though it is late morning, so normally I don't sing till sort of late afternoon. But my voice is pretty much there. It feels like it's 92% there. That's after 7 days of quarantine, and as I said, probably 8 or 9 days of feeling really sick. So it's a Saturday here today. So hopefully I'm going to be feeling better in the next couple of days. But as in my symptoms, as in my chest and being blocked up, I wish that I felt a lot better. So it has been a really slow healing process to do with all of that. Normally when I get a basic cold or a flu, I get over my colds till I'm 100% fit and ready to go, generally in about 3 or 4 days. a flu, generally 5 or 6 days, and I'm 100% better. It's, as I said, it's been about 8 days, 9 days since I contracted or started getting sick, and I'm still got symptoms here, so I'm still feeling about 50%. So I think this is going to drag on a little bit longer. What I might do is I might check in and let you know when I'm feeling absolutely 100% after contracting COVID. So that might be my last video. Okay, thank you for watching. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Check out the links below for more info. We have numerous studios here in Melbourne with both male and female teachers. We give online singing lessons 7 days a week worldwide. And we also offer the Ultimate Online Singing Course. Check out the links below for more info. Thank you, and more to come. Bye-bye. Hi guys, just wanted to check in again. I've had a few comments about my test results. So here they are. My first test result I did, which I started to feel a little bit sick, was on the 16th. And as you can see, it says C there. So when it says C, it means that it is negative. I did one on the, there's the date there, the 22nd of the 3rd. This one was the 16th of the 3rd. And this one came back with CT, which means that I was positive. These rat tests are pretty easy to do. Just buy them at the chemist. It's got all the instructions. Basically, you just put a cotton swab up your nose, put it into the solution, swizzle the solution around, and then you drip the solution into that little square there. Then you wait 15 minutes and yeah, you'll get your results back. Don't know how exact these are, but you sort of have to go with what they basically said. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.